fix blank HTML page after downloading Google AI Studio app. So when you come and then click on download app, you will see that your app will be downloaded for you, and then from the download option you have the option to come and then click on show in folder, and then your app will be shown in a zip file just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and put the mouse on it and then come to extract, or and come and then click on it. Over here you have the option to come and then extract your app, and then make sure that show extracted files when complete is checked, okay, and then simply come here to where you have extract and come and click on it. So it is going to extract your app for you, and then it's going to open it. And then when you come here to the index.html and then you right click on it and then you come and click on open, almost 100% of the time it is going to show a blank page just like this. Don't worry, there is nothing wrong with your app, just that Chrome doesn't know how to automatically open your app based on how Google AI Studio use modern codes to create your app for you. Okay, so in order to fix it, all that you have to do is to simply come and then install Visual Studio Code, that is VS Code, on your system. Okay, and then come and then create a folder on your desktop and then put your app, that is the unzip folder, in it just like this one. So after that, all that you have to do is simply come back to VS Code and then come to the file section and then come and select it, and then come here to where we have open folder and come and click on it. Over here, come and open your folder and then come and select the unzip folder, okay, and then come and then click on it just like this. Okay, after selecting it, simply come here to where we have select folder and come and click on it. You see that VS Code is automatically going to load the folder and then open all the file and folders within your folder just like this one. Okay, so right now all that you have to do after it has done it for you, all that you have to do is simply locate the top side. You see that we have the option that is terminal. Come and then click on the terminal. So when you click on it, come and select new terminal, okay, by clicking on it. So when you click on new terminal, it is going to the CMD, that is the terminal, is going to open your unzip folder, okay, just like this. It is going to open it and then come and run this prompt. But first, come and then open your unzip folder. Okay, come and then open it. So when you open it, you are going to see that you have all your files in it just like this. Okay, but you have to know the type of app that you are having. Okay, so to know it, you have to extend the name. Okay, so from where we have the view, come and click on the view, and then among the list, you are going to see that we have file name extensions. Okay, come and then check the box. Okay, so when you check the box, it is going to show the full name of all the files. So as you can see, we now have the full name of all the files, and then the app is app.tsx. So this shows that it is a React app. Okay, so the app that we are having is a React app. Good. Mostly all the downloads that you download from Google AI Studio is a React app. That I come and then uncheck the box that is file name extension, and come here to the C, the terminal, okay, and come and run this, okay, that is npm space install space react dash DOM. Okay, so come and run the exact prompt just like this one, and then hit enter, and it is going to install it for you. Just allow it to finish installing. So as you can see, it has finished installing. Okay, and then after it finished installing, what you have to do is simply come and then run this prompt as well, that is npx space byte. Okay, come and then type in the exact same thing and then hit enter. What it's going to do is that it is going to create a link for you that you'll be able to open it in Chrome. Okay, your app in Chrome. What you have to do is to just come and then press on Control, okay, on your keyboard, and then click on the link. So when you click on it, it is going to open your app for you in Chrome just like this, and it is going to function perfectly fine. Okay, so this is how to fix it, and then this is always going to be the link that you are going to use to open your app.